Whether you're trying to lose weight, eat healthier, or just maintain your current fitness level, one of the biggest challenges we face as humans is getting enough protein in our diets. After all, protein is essential for building and repairing cells, keeping hair, skin, and nails healthy, and aiding in digestion. However, determining how much protein you require daily can be difficult, especially if you dislike the idea of restricting your diet to meet your requirements. Fortunately, there are several ways to eat healthily and still get your protein without feeling restricted in any way. Here are some tips on how to eat healthily and still get your protein. Eat a well-rounded diet. Protein can be found in a wide variety of foods, including meats, dairy products, legumes, fish, eggs, and soy products. To reap the most benefit from your protein, you should aim for a diet that is rich in a variety of nutrients and micronutrients. To ensure you're eating a well-rounded diet that contains adequate protein, you should aim to include a variety of foods from several different food groups. For example, a well-rounded diet should include a variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, protein-rich fats, and sources of dietary fiber. In addition to consuming a variety of foods from each of these groups, you should also aim to consume a variety of foods that are rich in protein, including seafood, dairy products, eggs, and legumes. Add protein to meals. Eating healthy, nutrient-rich foods is key when it comes to getting your protein, but you shouldn't have to miss out on your favorite meals as well. One way to add more protein to your meals without needing to consume extra protein-rich foods is by adding protein powder to your coffee, oatmeal, smoothies, and other drinks. This can help you reap the benefits of consuming protein without needing to eat additional proteins. Also, protein can be added to many meals by adding a protein-rich food to the side of your meal when you're not particularly hungry. When you're not hungry, you're less likely to consume an unhealthy amount of calories, carbs, and fats, which can help you meet your protein needs while eating healthy. Make sure your protein comes from animal sources. With so many plant-based foods available today, it might be easy to forget that protein is best consumed from animal-based sources. You can reap the benefits of getting your protein from a variety of sources, but be sure to ensure your protein comes from animal-based sources, including dairy products, eggs, red meat, and fish. Many plant-based kinds of milk and yogurt also contain small amounts of protein, and it's worth keeping these types of foods in your diet so you're not missing out on any benefits. While it's best to consume protein from animal-based sources, some plant-based proteins can be beneficial to your health, so it's important to consume a variety of protein sources. Animal-based protein is the best option, but if you can't consume all of your protein from animal-based sources, you can still reap some benefits from plant-based proteins. However, it's important to consume a variety of protein sources to reap the maximum benefits of protein. Don't skip the salad for dinner. While you should aim to get your protein from animal-based sources, it's also important to consume a variety of protein-rich foods throughout the day, including legumes. While it might feel like you're missing out on your salad for dinner if you don't include a significant amount of protein in your meal, this is beneficial. Eating a variety of protein-rich foods throughout the day helps ensure that you're getting enough protein without missing out on too many other nutrients, fiber, and vitamins. A large proportion of the protein your body requires is derived from amino acids that you can obtain from non-meat sources, so eating a variety of foods throughout the day is important. Get your veggie intake up. Along with consuming a variety of protein-rich foods throughout the day, you should also aim to consume a variety of veggies throughout the day. This will help ensure that you're getting enough veggies while eating a variety of other protein-rich foods. A large portion of your daily needs can be derived from vegetables, including a variety of leafy greens, beans, and other vegetables. Including a variety of veggies in your diet can help you get your veggie intake up while eating a healthy, balanced diet. Veggies are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other important nutrients that can help you feel and function at your best. These include vitamins A, C, and K, folate, and beta-carotene, as well as minerals such as manganese, iron, and potassium. Consume quality fats with every meal. Getting enough healthy fat is important when eating meals. This can help you gain additional vitamins and minerals, fiber, and other important nutrients that can improve your health. You can't get enough good fat from just one food, so consuming different quality fats with each meal will ensure you are getting enough fat. To ensure you are receiving enough good fat while eating a balanced diet of nutritious, protein-rich foods, you must eat a variety of quality fats. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. You can eat healthily and still get your protein by eating a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods from a variety of food groups, and consuming a variety of veggies and fat.